Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the finest luxury properties from across the United States. Today, we invite you to explore one of the most breathtaking, one-of-a-kind residences ever created in Florida's luxury landscape. Located in the prestigious Southwest Ranches, this extraordinary estate is not just a home, it's a private world of elegance, grandeur, and absolute serenity. A masterpiece built across more than 11 acres of perfectly manicured land, featuring two stunning French country-style mansions separated by a sparkling private lake. Every part of this home has been designed to deliver an unforgettable experience of comfort, beauty, and exclusivity. As the video begins, the drone view rises gracefully over the wide-open green lawns. The sunlight reflects on the calm water of the lake, creating a magical glow. From above, the homes look like luxury resorts, surrounded by lush grounds, fountains, and peaceful natural beauty. The aerial view captures the true scale of the property, expansive, elegant, and picture-perfect from every angle. It is impossible not to be impressed by the harmony of architecture and landscaping. Moving slowly toward the entrance, the driveway curves elegantly, leading to tall doors and a dramatic facade that speaks of power and prestige. As the doors open, you feel an instant sense of luxury and calm. High ceilings, warm lighting, and refined design elements welcome you inside. The craftsmanship is exceptional. Every corner reflects sophistication and careful planning. Now entering the living room, the space unfolds with an open layout, modern decor, and stunning natural light flowing through large windows. Plush seating, perfect symmetry, and a soothing color palette make this room ideal for hosting, relaxing, and enjoying unforgettable moments with family and friends. The cinematic atmosphere enhances the home's comfort and elegance. The dining area appears next, showcasing a grand marble dining table. Beautiful lighting fixtures shine softly, highlighting the perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether hosting a private dinner or a lavish event, this space enhances every gathering with luxury and grace. The kitchen is a chef's dream, sleek, modern, and fully equipped with premium appliances. Marble countertops, a large center island, and spacious cabinetry make it both practical and visually stunning. This is a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for creating experiences, enjoying conversations, and connecting with loved ones. Entering the bedrooms, you discover a world of comfort and tranquility. Each suite is crafted with soft tones, large windows, and stylish furnishings that offer a hotel-like experience. The master bedroom is particularly impressive, an elegant retreat with space, privacy, and warmth. From sunrise to sunset, every moment in these luxurious rooms feels special. Next is the bathroom, and it is truly exceptional. Marble walls, a freestanding tub, glass showers, gold accents, and refined details come together to create a spa-like sanctuary. This is the perfect place to relax, unwind, and experience peace at the end of the day. The garage adds another level of practicality and sophistication. Spacious, clean, and beautifully organized, it has enough room to display multiple high-end vehicles. It feels like a private showroom rather than just a place to park cars. Stepping outside, we arrive at the swimming pool, one of the most breathtaking features of the estate. The infinity pool sparkles under the sunlight, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Comfortable lounge areas, private seating spots, and open-air spaces make this the perfect location for relaxation and entertainment. Here, every day feels like a vacation. The property also features a fully equipped gym, designed to support fitness, wellness, and a healthy lifestyle. With modern machines, full-length mirrors, and ample space, the gym provides an energizing environment where you can stay active without ever leaving home. And finally, the exclusive VIP room, the jewel of the estate. This room offers refined decor, luxurious textures, warm lighting, and a sense of exclusivity. It serves as the perfect private retreat for important guests or personal relaxation. Every detail is crafted to elevate the sense of luxury. This magnificent estate is more than a home, it is a lifestyle. A private world where beauty, comfort, and elegance come together in perfect harmony. With two exceptional mansions, extraordinary amenities, peaceful outdoor spaces, and world-class design, this property is truly unmatched in the South Florida market. Thank you for touring this breathtaking property with us on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this journey into luxury living, Stay connected for more incredible homes, inspiring designs, and dream destinations.